The exact details of ingredients are in the description box. Now we start with the marination process. In goes chicken. Then we add yogurt. Then we add salt, black pepper powder, lemon juice, oil. You can use any oil, olive oil or refined oil, ginger garlic paste. Please don't skip this process as marination is a very important process as it prevents our chicken from drying out. It tenderizes the chicken and making it more juicier, and it also reduces the time for cooking. For my lemon chicken, I always use mustard oil. It really enhances the flavor. In goes the bay leaf and peppercorns. Let them saute for around 10 seconds. Add roughly chopped garlic. Saute for about 20 to 25 seconds. Add julienne ginger and saute ginger for about 20 to 25 seconds as well. Add slit green chilies and saute it for about 10 seconds. By now, our ginger and garlic are done. Now we add our marinated chicken. We need to marinate this chicken for at least 1 hour. We don't mind more than 1 hour, but that's the minimum. Give it a nice mix. Saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. After sauteing it for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame, we're gonna cover it on a low flame and cook it for next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our chicken should be well done. You should try to just check if the chicken is well done or not. In goes our black pepper and lemon mix. Here we add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well, and here it depends what taste you want. You want as a snack, dry snack, or a curry with rice or roti. Depending on that, we will not cover it and we will saute it on low to medium flame till you get your desired consistency. I wanted it as a starter, so I dried up and my lemon pepper chicken is ready. Thank you for watching. If you're new on our channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon for all the ready notifications of our channel. Thank you.